Hey YouTube, this is campbase.com and we're doing some work on the GTX and wanted you to see the floors in here, see what kind of shape they're in. This California car, and I know it's pretty rare to see floors in such good shape. You can tell there's the inside floor. It's all still got paint on it. Right up in here there's a teeny bit, but to tell you the truth, it's not much. I mean, that's just on the surface. That's all cleanable. Just clean it up and put some preventatives on it. But the other side, same thing. It put a little preservatives on it. But in general, it's all really good. It's dirty. There's the wheelhouse back there. No rust. So this is the only rust. I pulled the carpet here and I've been able to find. I just wanted to kind of let everybody else see the kind of shape this car is in, that it's in good metal. It's all solid, and fortunately there's not going to be a lot of repairs. All right, Camp Base out. Have a great day. Please follow us, like us, and everything else. Take care.